Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad you're here because I cannot wait to jump into today's small business vlog. At least I think I can call it a small business vlog because I am doing some things for my small business, but I am going to be doing some other things that are unrelated as well. So today's video is going to be kind of a chill small business vlog. So one of the things that I need to get done today is I need to clean and reorganize my resin room down in my basement. That's where I do all my tumblers and all of my resin projects and all of that stuff. That room is a complete wreck. It's a disaster. It's a nightmare. You guys will see what I'm talking about shortly, but I definitely need to get that clean before I can do any videos in there. I also need to clean up my craft room upstairs. Of course, what's new, right? Which it's not too bad. It's not terrible, but it definitely needs to be picked up so that I can package up some orders that I need to get shipped out today, which I'm also going to be doing. And then I also need to sublimate, tag, and inventory some tea towels that are going to be going in that local store that I sell my t-shirts at. I also need to make a quick trip to Hobby Lobby. I mean, let's be real, I don't know how quick it's going to be. I need to get some supplies for some upcoming craft videos that I'm not going to spoil for you guys yet. And I also need to go there because my daughter is on fall break this week. She is super artistic and crafty like I am, super talented and creative. So she wants to go to Hobby Lobby too so that she can stock up on some art supplies so that she has stuff to do this week while she's at home with me. And then I also want to hang up some like foam and paper bats on my wall. If you guys were following me at this time last year, then you guys know what I'm talking about. I had a bunch of like foam paper bats kind of hanging on the wall like near my entryway right there, kind of going like towards the mantle. It looks super cool. I loved it. You guys loved it. My daughter loved it. So I'm definitely doing it again, especially because I just came across them down in the basement. So we are going to be hanging those up today as well. So let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. All right guys, so I'm down in my basement in my resin room and I just need to quickly show you guys the mess before I can really begin. I gotta show you guys like a before and after, right? It's a wreck. It's just a wreck. There's just so much stuff down here. Like every time I work on a new tumbler or a new project, I end up just, you know, piling stuff up. It's just like the craft room. All my crafters know, y'all know the struggle. Oh, and then over here I have a whole shelving unit that just is like my catch-all. So let's go ahead and get started and clean up this room. Alright guys, finally finished cleaning the resin room and reorganized it all. Got all my spray paints up there, all my blank tumblers, and all the other tools and stuff that I needed to organize. Looks good. even reorganize the shelf over here. I'm just gonna leave that top shelf empty for like extra workspace, or if I need to like set something over there to dry, I can do that. But those are all my unfinished tumblers that I need to finish. And then there's just some like extra tools and stuff that wouldn't fit on my shelves over here. But yeah, so one room down. Now let's go work on the craft room. All right, guys, here's the craft room. As you can see, there's kind of some stuff laying out everywhere. It's not terrible. It's definitely worse on like this side of the craft room. Ugh. Y'all know how it goes. It just gets piled up the more and more crafts you do, if you go without cleaning it in between projects. So yeah. Okay, you guys know the drill. I'm gonna set you guys up so that I can get this room done too. Got these cute little wood cutouts from Dollar Tree. Couldn't pass those up. Little witch hats and some ghosties. So we'll have to do something with that. Alright guys, so here is the clean craft room, all picked up. I just need to vacuum the floor, but I'll do that later. So let's go ahead and start packaging up those orders so that I can get those shipped out today. All right, guys, so I have a Car Freshie and sticker order, and then I have 2 Car Freshie starter kit orders, so we'll go ahead and package up those first. So I'm gonna need 2 kit boxes. And then Shannon ordered a butterfly and flower kit, and she ordered hers with pink sugar. So we'll set hers right there. And then Brittany ordered a mason jar and cactus kit, and she also got pink sugar for her fragrance. So we'll set hers right there. And then they're both gonna need a mason jar. And then they're both gonna need some aroma beads for their kits. All right, guys, now that these orders are all packaged up, I'm gonna head to the post office so we can drop these off. All right, y'all, so now that we are done with that, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my heat press so that it can heat up while I print out some sublimation designs so that I can sublimate some tea towels that I'm going to be putting in that local store that I sell all of my t-shirts at. Okay, so if you sublimate on shirts, then you already know that you can't sublimate on 100% cotton. It will fade and wash out. So because of that, I can't sublimate on 100% cotton tea towels or flour sack towels that most people would use. So I came across these microfiber, they're like waffle knit tea towels on Amazon. So I got a pack of these and they sublimate amazing. So I just wanted to share these with you guys because if you sublimate shirts, then there's a chance, you know, you might do other sublimation items, and these are amazing. Okay, so this first one that we were pressing is done. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Look how good that looks. It's upside down, I know. Hold on, let me fold it for you guys. Okay, so first of all, look how bright and vibrant those colors are. They look phenomenal. And voila, we have a kitchen towel ready to be sold. So I'm gonna set you guys up so I can finish pressing these towels so that we can get them tagged and inventoried and ready for the store. All right, guys, so I finished pressing all of those towels. So now I need to tag and inventory all of them. Look how cute Goda is. All right, guys, so here are some of the paper bats, and I have some foam ones in here also, but most of them are made out of just like black cardstock, and I just am using some ticky tack to hang them up, so let's get to it. Ta-da! What do we think, you guys? I think it looks great. Not trying to sound like Tony the Tiger, but you know. So that's my entryway doorway. Kind of looks like a little cave when it's all dark in there like that. So I thought it was perfect for the bats to come out of there like that. Go across my mantle. I even had some kind of overlap my mirror there. I think it looks really cool. What do we think? I love it. Let me just back up here so you guys can get the full effect. There we go. Look how great that looks. All right, you guys, that's where I'm gonna leave you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.